Good morning, my dear students. Ngasi takadrise ngarangi question to be mechanical. Ngarang mo question number 3 book takre question number 4 yango. The following distribution gives the state-wise teacher students ratio in higher secondary schools of India. Bharat laiba higher secondary school single laiba छात्र सिंगे वजा सिंगे वजा का छात्र की रेशियो से मखागी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन से न पीरे अदुगा माना है इसे कहीं find the mode and the mean of this data से कि ये mode जो पुतो mean जो पुतो अदो interpret the two measure अनि से ना आई minimum सुन mode से निकली ताई बगी है बदो है बनी को and students of number of students per teacher से ना Sigida interval is minor period at the number of states or union territories having gone. See sim upon Sinchinas the period, other Jiche, more Hana Putoxi, more Putonaba, one of them Daikona since the number of maximum maximum number of states or union territories, maximum number of states have come. Sorry. The number of students per teacher in the interval 30 to 35. So the model class is 30 to 35 so and therefore L क्या लौरनी 30 लौरनी high scale लौगनी 5 लौगनी weight of the class को अदगी F1 क्या लौगनी frequency of the model class 10 लौरनी अदगी F0 frequency of the class just preceding the model class 9 लौरनी अदगी and F2 is equal to succeeding class की frequency 3 लौरनी को now mode is equal to therefore mode is equal to कहता है L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 से into hastening is equal to L से 30 plus F1 10 minus 9 by 2 into 10 minus 9 minus 3 and my value is building into 5 is equal to say 30 plus 1 5 5 divided by 20 dagi 12 5 wadi 8 tare adudi kya tare hada 30 plus 0.6 tarung pani punipan adudi kaam ko lower siko 30.6 and therefore hence the mode of the data की मोड से is equal to e सारेगा 30.6 सिमा जब मोड की लोरे अदुगा मीडियन की लोगे हाई तारगदी कोइना हाइस करम का की लोगे दे बो सिगी मरी सुबा मंगा सुबा सिगी लौरने को हाई से 37.5 37.5 37.5 तागनी को ए से अदुना सुमाइना लौरसी फॉर मिन you and I कोइना कई लोग लगे बो से taking a equal to 37.5 and the I is equal to 5 learning aduga number of students per teacher number of states or union territories sima sina fi oigadar bane adagi class mark sina xi oigadar bane adagi ui is equal to xi minus 37.5 divided by 5 oigadar ni aduga fi xi have kalam mama ko dan sẽ mai sẽ mà sinh do 15 to 20 15 to 20 20 to 25 25 to 30 30 to 35 35 to 40 40 to 45 45 to 50 50 to 55 hydrogen minus to tonic ko aduga magi hagi frequency ji mapa na ibirane frequency sida mana at ama sorry 3 ama 8 ama 3 at 9 10 3 0 0 2 सिमै बिरने अदगी मागी सिजे 17.5 तागनी सिगिना मंगा तिंदलती 22.5 तागनी सिना 27.5 तागनी सिना 32.5 तागनी सिना 37.5 तागनी सिमगिना 42.5 तागनी सिना 47.5 तागनी सिना 52.5 तारने हौजी UI की कलम से माइनस 4 तागनी आदि सिदा सी सिंजलगा तारकदि से माइनस 20 तागनी सी 4 लानी माइनस 4 लानी सिना माइनस 3 लानी सिमना माइनस 2 लानी सिना माइनस 1 लानी सिमा 0 लेरनी सिमा 0 लेरनी सिमा 0 लेरनी sorry 0 नहीं the 1 लाइन है बको सिना 2 लेरनी सिमना 3 लेरनी से वैल्यू देंगे से सुम सिंजलगा 5 में यलपन को अदो तारदे से सिसे माइनस 12 अम लेरे सिना माइनस निपाल अहम कुन मरी अम लेरे माइनस से मापलानी तरा निपाल अम लेरे अभी माइनस 10 अम लेरे सी 10 का 0 परिणामी सी 0 चक्रे सी 0 चक्रे सिमसु 0 चक्रे सिना अहम का अनी का परिणामी तरुक तारे सुमाइना माइना माइ कलम से तुथो मतुंगा अखोना से टोटल है बमुपिरो टोटल सिदा समेशन fi हैबदी fi अपन बसे या तारे से कुंठा मंगा ताइको तिन जनरगा 35 तारंगने से 5 15 35 có sina summation fi ui have a minus to chor ne minus chor ne have the se siga si 20 30 le hai 40 40 60 ga kaya 64 64 di 58 ta ba kai ko da minus 58 ta ne adon object se using the step deviation method step deviation method decision रहेगा equation से x bar equal to a plus f5 ui divided by summation f5 whole thing into hyphen lại còn cái sẽ một cái chỗ là cái thực tại yếu đó equation sẽ is equal to say a की value 37.5 minus plus minus 50 का 8 divided by say 35 into 5 ina jika di 7 thunge 7 thune yembu kamda 37.5 minus 35 35 yang kita lere adi hung bom la ni te long kuma thôi ko adi di sidi kya tare 29.2 tare therefore mean of the data is 29.2 aduga interpretation la interpretation utaragati kari hagati ho koina interpretation iba matamda most states or union territories UT union territories have a students teacher ratio of 30.6 and on an average the ratio this ratio is 29.2 Hello đấy, question mà con question mà lôi đấy anh chụp question bị cái con question number 5 ka I say the given distribution shows the number of runs scored by some top batsmen of the world in one day international cricket matches haidi one day international cricket matches ta akogi top batsman kharana lowba run machine dugi data makha pire run score che 3000 dagina 4000 bhaupa 4000 to 5000 sumaina up to 10,000 to 11,000 bhauchi leire aduga number of batsmen machine na sumaina pire mai se find the mode of the data dugi mode put hai ko ekona masigi solution da since the maximum number of batsmen have here there runs school in the interval Canada system 4,000 to 5,000 sida legreba ko the model class is 4,000 to 5,000 sineba ko already. Therefore L equal to 4,000 oirane, height equal to 1,000 oirane, adagi F1 equal to 18 oirane, adagi F0 equal to 4 oirane, and F2 equal to 9 oirane ko. Sumana, pwede wang mani na mamanggi matung lore. Therefore mod putuke hai taragadi L plus mod putuke formula F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 into haisniko. Sigi matungina 4,000 sima sinjalo adagi sigi 18 minus 4 ama divided by 2 into 18 minus 4 minus 9 sima into is equal to 4,000 sima later aduga plus sida 1,000 hoigadabu ko 1,000 sima hoigadabu ko adigi is equal to 4,000 sima later plus sigi 14 darani 14,000 ko divided by sisina 30 ke 6 tagi taraga hundoi khaido kunga tariet le mani ko kulundoi tai ko aduga 4,000 plus sina sidi yamba kanda thungai se ke thunge bu 608.7 thungi ko adudi 4,608.7 darani ko hara hence the mode of the data is 4,608.7 plus minus the lower ko. Same method question, last question only period ko. Question number 6 na fighting loi ba chapter simigi abadi moti matangi question se sibil loi ko. Ara the student noted the number of cars passing through a spot on a road 400 periods each of 3 minutes and summarize it in the table given below. Abadi Satra amana 100 periods masida amamunda minute ahum oiba aduga kaigu mufam amagi soro amata leimam fam amada phawraga chakkiba car masing thiyo hamra ahanba mana number of cars 0 to 10 phaw leibase frequency che masing hanjanjana yaubase masing che 3 ne lore 10 to 20 che 14 ne lore mana up to this kind of 70 to 80 bawki marat leibase 8 ne lore sumaina data spirame masigi mochi putu usini ko aduna ikhoina solution da kama haga da gebu maximum frequency che sine ko here the maximum frequency is 20 and the corresponding and the class corresponding to this frequency is 40 to 50 sine. So the model class is 40 to 50 suareko. 40 to 50 na model class to itadi. Therefore L kaya warne 40 lorne height kaya logani 10 logani height weight of the class. F1 has the frequency of the model class 20 lorne. The F0 has the frequency of the class just before the model class 12, and F2 is equal to frequency of the class just after the model class 11 lower level. Therefore mod puto ke hai taragati mod equal to mod puto ke formula L plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 whole thing into height silaiko. Adu ji se L ki value 40 singalani, F1 ki 20 minus F0 ki 12 divided by 2 times of 20 laane minus 12 minus 11 whole thing into 10. Adu ji si ke tare 40 plus sen hi khalong the 8 tai si ke energy 80 tare divided by 40 dagi 1323 khailo di 17 tare. Adu di 40 plus 18 sta 17 ni yang beta 4.7 thungi ko 4.7 thungi is equal to 44.7 tare. Therefore mode of the data is 44.7 ada sini loe ko sina pulo loe masina last question of this chapter ko aduga mathangi median gi mathangi class ta median gi ang talakani ko and okay let us finish for today.